Harshi. Welcome
Hi.
to Rosemark NLPL Season 4 Finals. NLPL continues to grow every season. What's the vision behind the success?
So mainly that I would say that we are seeing from season 1 to season 4 right now, and how we started Navi Mumbai Premier League, and how we've got amazing sponsors that have made the organization so good, the type of coaching that the players are receiving, and the way everything, the setup has been made, and you can just see an amazing growth and the impact that NMPL has been creating lately. And also the vision would be that you can see that a lot of players have been selected for IPL, they are playing under 19 World Cup, and it is a great opportunity that they are receiving, and mainly for grassroots level people to reach this platform is the best thing that NMPL is visioning to see.
Yeah. How important is NLPL in Rosemark overall sports strategy?
Mainly this is I think one of the top 3 things I feel we would be doing, and it is a majority part of the attention I say we would be doing, and it is something that is going to be long term, and it's going to create a very huge impact. As you can see that NMPL is at a very huge scale. It is approved by MCA and also Mazgaon Cricket Club, and you can see like these are such huge names. So obviously it is a very important part for Rosemark, and the sponsorship has given them amazing boost in the publicity and also with everything else.
Yeah. What makes NLPL different from other cricket leagues?
Navi Mumbai Premier League, I would say that they are helping grassroots people to come and excel in life from a very small stage to getting to play an IPL and under 19 World Cup is the biggest opportunity I feel they are receiving. And you can see that a lot of players have been playing, and the performances here also, the score, I think the highest score was set some 240, 250 at a ground in a pitch like this also. They can do wonders at a professional setup. So it is an amazing journey.
Yeah. How do you see this league evolving in the coming years?
In the coming years, I really hope, fingers crossed, it's going to be the next IPL, and hopefully it is a very big deal that is going to happen, and also we can see the stadium that we are going to play in Navi Mumbai Premier League eventually in the future, and huge sponsorships coming up and better setup, and just whatever is best for the players happen.
One last question. What message would you like to give to the fans of NLPL?
I would just say that the fans should just give us more love and support, and just give all their support and the wishes to all the players, and just expect the best and much more in the future as well.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Harshi.